What's up, guys? I'm going to do a little test here. I wanted to show you this WetFire stuff. Now, this is nothing new. There's a lot of people have seen this, but I figured I'd make a video review on it, just so that by chance you haven't seen it before, at least now you will. It is awesome, awesome stuff. I got a piece of newspaper here I'm going to try and make a fire with. I'm actually going to stick this in the snow. I'll try and make a fire with that in just a minute here. But anyway, here's my mesh metal, which I was using before. Stick that in the snow as well. And it comes in these little, you know, individually wrapped packets, so they stay dry anyway, although the appeal of it is that they will work wet. And let's open it up, take a look at it. Looks kind of like, feels like a ball of wax or like a chalky square. But I'm going to break off a couple little pieces because I'm going to use it in different applications. First one I'm going to put in there. I'm going to see if I can get this to light with the mesh metal, you know, sparking it. And let's break another piece off. Try this one just in the snow. And this last piece I'm actually going to try in a cup of water once I get it lit. So anyway, let's put this, I'll just keep this off to the side for now. And let's try to get this stuff lit now. Got my mesh metal here, which as you saw was wet. I mean, I'll even put it in a cup of water. It's also a test on the mesh metal, because I didn't do this in the other video, but it's even soaking wet. It's going to throw sparks. Sorry, the wind's going crazy. Reposition this, get a better angle on it. It's hard to do things in, you know, with the camera trying to film as well. There we go, finally, got it lit. Alright, so, a WetFire's in there, already lit the paper on fire. Here's the one that's been sitting in the snow. If you get that lit, drop it actually over here. Oh crap. I dropped it off the deck in the snow. Alright, take our last piece here. Drop it in the cup of water. Okay, you can see it's totally submerged in water. My camera a little bit, don't want that to catch fire. Okay, soaking wet. Get it over by the fire. You can see now it's lit in my hand, and even in the cup of water. The WetFire stuff is pretty amazing. Now, if I were to dunk this in water, it would go out because there's no air. But you can see even in a wet condition, it stays lit, which is awesome. And it will stay lit for quite a while. You can see that chunk there. Obviously it's going to last a little bit longer in the water, but even if I took it out of the water, try to do this without burning myself, threw it in the fire, it'll still stay lit. Hopefully you can see that there. But anyway, the WetFire stuff is awesome. Pretty ideal for any condition. Let me grab another piece here. Get that lit. Ow, burned my finger. Trying to take advantage of this snow while I still have it. It's starting to melt. It's getting warmer here. But anyway, you can see there, it's still lit. I'll leave the camera rolling for a little while, see how long it lasts, but it's on literally a pile of snow. And it should stay lit for a little while there. The paper's pretty much all burnt out. The only thing that's lit right there is the other piece of WetFire. But this stuff's awesome. I mean, like I said, it's nothing new. It's been used by a lot of different people for many years. You can see it'll give you a nice long fire. I had plenty of time to get my Tinder in there and actually start a regular campfire if I needed to. But yeah, I don't know how long I'll do this video. This stuff will last a pretty long time. I don't want to bore you. I think you kind of get the idea. But anyway, so there it is, the WetFire. Of course, if it's raining tremendously, it will go out. But the cool thing is, if you need to, you can relight it. But anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.